This is the part of the lesson where I do, you watch and listen. An explicit lesson includes a teacher-only, one-person monologue. It's where you caption every thought you have while you're demonstrating the skill. You talk to yourself out loud. You pause, you interrupt yourself, you question, you make decisions. You are, from beginning to end, going to demonstrate a skill and share every individual thought you had along the way. Tell your students that in every lesson you teach, there's going to be an I do portion. This means I'm going to do the work. I want you just to watch and listen. In other words, don't raise your hands. In fact, if during the I do, kids have their hands up and they're trying to answer your rhetorical questions, then just look at them and say, put your hand down. This is my show. Here's why. I'm not doing the Think Aloud for the 3 or 4 kids who already know how to do it. I'm doing it for the other 24 who have no idea how to execute this skill. Okay, I have to reread it to figure it out. I shut my eyes tight and put the pillow over my head. Okay, so you close your eyes like you don't want to see something, pillow over your head. It's like he's hiding. I'm thinking he's hiding. Okay. Another way to reinforce that this is a one-person monologue, that this is my show, is don't actually make eye contact with the students when you're demonstrating and thinking aloud.
I'm not really sure where that one goes quite yet. I'm just going to leave it there.
All your Think Alouds should be first person.
Burned down house, ate peppers, but I only have one solution.
Another tip is to plan your I, me, or my statements ahead of time. In other words, don't plan to wing a Think Aloud in the middle of a mini lesson. The skill that you're trying to teach is so automatic to you. It's ingrained. You know how to do it and don't even know how you know how. You have to stop, pre-plan, and write out your I statements. When planning these I, me, or my statements, fall back on a common set of sentence starters. These cards guide you to share the journey of your thinking. And if you incorporate them into your lesson, if you actually hold them up during the Think Aloud and you're sharing your monologue with students, the cards also remind the students that this is the part of the lesson where I do, you watch and listen.